Welcome to this AI project-based training. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to create cinematic promo animations. As I mentioned in the promo, this isn't about using one single prompt or just copy-pasting prompts. Instead, I'll guide you through a process where you can build your own unique cinematic promos and professional opener animations. Now, if your goal is only to play around with AI, like making an elephant fly a plane or a monkey drinking juice on the beach, then this training might not be for you. But if you want to build your name in the market, enhance your creative skills, and start producing professional-level cinematic promos and openers, then you've made the right choice. By the end of this training, you'll have the knowledge to create stylized, cinematic animations just like the one you're about to see.
Yes, so before starting the training, I want to explain the subscription of the Midjourney because I received a lot of messages which subscription we should buy. So I would suggest for initial basis, the best one is this one, the Pro plan, $48 one. And if you are in doubt that which subscription you want to buy, better go for the monthly billing. It will be $60, but it's the best one because it has the unlimited video generation and image generation, because once you start creating the image or videos on the Midjourney, initially you may be generate a lot of unnecessary videos and images. So it's better if you have the unlimited generation options, then you can do some experiments and all these things. And there are 30 fast generations, and this one is the ideal package for initial basis. So I recommend to go with this $60 package. Now let's start the training. So basically, for creating the promo like this, again I will play that. If you want to play this kind of promo on Midjourney, so what we exactly have to do, so this is the promo we are going to create, kind of though, because no one can create exactly the same promo what it already created. So yes, first initially there are, like you can see, that the beauty shots, slow-mo beauty shots, then we have the fast-paced shots. So let's start from the beginning. Before starting your project on the Midjourney, no need to do right away go to the create and start prompting and start creating. The main key point, first you have to go to the ChatGPT. I'm not saying that as rewrite your prompt from ChatGPT. I'll give you the clear idea what exactly we have to do. We start a new conversation, and this is the main key point what I'm going to type on the ChatGPT. Listen to this, and no need to be your English to be very perfect to write this message to ChatGPT, just to give it the idea to ChatGPT what exactly we are going to create. So basically I'm explaining that sorry, I'm explaining that ChatGPT, I'm going to create a promo from Midjourney. It will be based on Dubai. For every shot I need cinematic style, nice, whatever you're thinking and whatever you're imagining that your shot should be like. And even if the spelling mistake, as I said, any problem, no need to worry about your English, no need to worry about the grammar, because we are not here to learn the English or the grammar and all these things. Here we will learn how to create the animation. nice depth of field, and night mode. Please add these points in every shot. Then I will explain to him. Now I will give you the details for each shot, and I want to create a prompt for me. So basically we created our partner ChatGPT for this project, and it will help us to create the prompt. This is our very first step. Now we will start, as I told you initially, this is the project based training. So basically I'll go through our project and I'll start copying that project. Yes, so basically first shot is our horse eye, because it will engage the audience, and is a slow-mo beauty shot. So, and next shot the horse head is moving, but the very first thing we have to find out the style. So I will create this image. Black horse in front of Dubai skyline. That's it. It will create a prompt for us. Let's copy this prompt, create. Once you open the Midjourney, it has a lot of options. Don't confuse yourself, just directly go to the create. After subscribing the Midjourney subscription, go to the create, click there, type there. It will first create the images, then from it we will go to the video. Okay, let's start creating, but I want to add some more detail into this, because the skyline, but I want to focus on the Burj Khalifa. Black horse in front of Dubai skyline, in the background mainly Burj Khalifa in just copy this prompt, paste it, and I'll go. Now I'll tell you the settings as well. There are multiple options. Once you start, you'll find that it will be on this square shape. So go to the landscape and you have option. I'll prefer this HD style and leave everything as it is. Now I'll create the images. Now I want to change this ground because it's like sand. I want to add glossy ground and wet floor. And Dubai skyline, Dubai skyline, wet floor, this is how you start talking with the ChatGPT, and it will, why I can type it initially this prompt, but why I'm retyping it, so I can tell you how you can create the multiple shots. And basically initially right now we are trying to find out our theme. Oh, so we are getting the nice results. So I like this one, but what we'll do, we'll generate the more results, because initially, as I told you, I'm trying to find out our theme. What would be our theme of the whole promo? Just click this, use this text, and regenerate the images. Again, just I'm creating a more results, so I can select which one is the better. Use this text and regenerate the prompts, because once we find out our theme, then it will be easier for us. And look, this is the benefit of fast generation, because if you don't have the fast generation, you will get bored and you will not create the multiple options. So yes, I like that one, and personally also this one is nice, but that one is closer with our reference. We will not stuck up with the reference, as I told you, it's not the one time prompt or one time project. So basically this one is better option. Let's generate one more time and we'll lock any one of this and we'll start creating it. So yes, I'm selecting this one. See, you can click and you can zoom in, because I honestly I love all of them. So this one is more ideal towards our theme and the reference, so I'll go with this one. What we'll do, if you select this one, we'll press this variation strong, means I need variation within this frame. I could generate the first time, but why I'm telling you this step, because it's not one time prompt, it's not one time training. I'm trying to teach you how you can generate the more prompt for this. Yes, so alhamdulillah, we have got the nice result, and we'll stuck with this look because in the end the color theme and the ambience is same in all of this. Let's take a look. Yes, it's a nice theme. So yes, now we are start creating our first shot. First shot was the close-up shot of the horse eye. We'll go there, extra close-up shot of horse eye, and in background Dubai skyline and Burj Khalifa. Now this is the main key point. How can we consistent our theme? I'll copy there, and any one of this image, because it's all same color theme, we'll drag and drop here, style reference. After this we'll put semicolon, space, and we'll type this message: image reference is for ambience and color theme only. Start creating the images. Oh, we are getting out closer to a shot. Nice. Now for example, I want an animation in this shot or that shot, whatever shot you like. I'll go with this one. Just simply drag and drop starting frame. I'll type here. No need to type 5 lines prompt, nothing, just simple. Pan the camera around horse face in cinematic and slow motion style. Fix the spellings. That's it. No need to type big prompt or JSON prompt and all these things. It's a simple. I'll keep this training as simplest as possible. Now let's start getting the animation. This is the benefit of the fast generation. Meanwhile it's generating, we can create another image for our second shot. And what is our second shot? Instead of eye, the face of the horse. I'll type it here. Face with background showing Dubai skyline, especially Burj Khalifa. Copy this prompt, paste it here. This is our image reference. which one we can create. For example, I'll go with this one, semicolon, image reference for ambience and color theme only. You can't generate the like more than 4 generations at a time, especially in the video, but images you can do I guess 6 or 7. I'm not 100% sure, but yes, meanwhile is creating the animation for this. We start creating our short for, now it's creating the again the close-up shot of the eye, but I want the face. So what we'll do, we'll change our style reference. I just use this text, copy the same text for style frame. This time we'll give them a this one. Because it was focused on the style reference and it focused on the again the eye. It's not legible, zoom in short. So let's start with this. I'll go to the start frame, camera, zooms out in cinematic style and showing horse face, and horse face is moving around. Simple. This our first shot is here. We can download this shot. What is our next shot? That man in the old style boat in front of Burj Khalifa. Go there. Arab man in old style Abra boat in front of Dubai skyline. Copy this prompt, paste it here. Image reference for ambience and color theme. I'll make this shot more interesting and more dramatic. I'll add this thing. Also, in this way you can add any object, any props in your image. Also add light, lamps, floating in the water. Let's see. Copy, paste. Yes, this is our second shot is also ready. We'll download this video. And if you want to extend the shot, you can extend it. Like if I press extend, it will extend the shot. Let's see how it will extend. Meanwhile, I'll see. Oh, but it's changed the color theme. While once I add it, let's go add few light lamps only in the sea next to the boat, maybe only 5. And this one I forget this image reference, that's why it's creating a completely different image. Okay, even now I can copy this one image reference style, it's the same theme. So this is the benefit of getting that with subscription, so you have more privilege to create a multiple videos and image at the same time. This one basically what we extended, and this now we have a dramatic shot, like light lamps are there. I personally like this shot. So simple, starting frame, camera pan around person in slow motion style, and cinematic and slow motion style, whatever you want to do. No need to be very specific and all these things, because once we have a good image, it will give the good result in the video as well. If you want to fix this thing, but it will not make any much difference. Starting frame, let's start generate the video. Let's see what we'll get. So whenever you press continue creating an image or video, it will by default give you the 4 options. Now I'll go over this shot. Wood with smoke and the way skyline. Paste, copy over this word, image reference, copy there. Now we have to give the image reference. I'll give this style reference, start getting the image. Now it's extended the video. So in case if you want to use the bigger shot, but look at this, the hair of the horse, it's really a beauty shot. So we download this. Oh, it's a nice, it's also at this prompt. Maybe, I don't know the oud. I type oud. So I type this, copy paste, OU oud perfume. But instead of that shot, I like that shot. We can add this shot as well. Same camera, pan in cinematic and in slow motion style. Let's see. Meanwhile, create our new image. What's giving here this perfume? So in between, if you don't like it, simple cancel job. What it called this Arabic wood coming is smoke. Smoke. Bakhur, I forget that name. Bakhur burner. Copy this, Bakhur burner, copy our style frame, this, our image reference text, copy and paste it here. Generate an image, let's see. Not giving a nice animation. I'll create the animation again. Slow, zooms in cinematic style, and boat is floating and slow moving on the water. Let's see. By mistake I typed twice. Oh, so we got over this shot. I'll go with this cinematic style, camera pan around Bakhur and slow motion style. Let's see what we'll get with this. So now we are give the order for the animation for this shot and for this shot. This is the basic idea, that this is how you can create the multiple shot and the same theme, and no need to learn the JSON prompting, no need to learn the high-end prompting. It's a really simple task and nice result. And we'll go, this is the most trickiest shot because I need a reflection of the Dubai skyline in the eye of the falcon. Extra zoom in shot of Emirati falcon and in the eye of falcon, showing reflection of Dubai skyline, mainly Burj Khalifa. Copy this, paste this, image reference, style reference, copy this text, image reference for ambience and color theme, go to the end, paste this. Let's see, because this is the most tricky shot. It might take some try to get this shot, because it's not an easy task. I remember when I was creating it, it took me a lot of time and I tried a lot of time. Simple extra zoom in shot of automatic falcon. Extra zoom in shot of Emirati falcon eye, and in the eye of falcon showing the reflection of the skyline, mainly the Burj Khalifa. Let's see, let's try this one. Image reference, or if we just type this one, let's see. As I told you that one is the trickiest shot. It's difficult to get on the first try. This is an extra shot which was not in our reference video, but I really like that shot. I'll download this one as well. I like this on the top of the extra, zoom in, ultra, zoom in, shot of Emirati falcon. Let's type this one. Style reference, meanwhile it's creating, we'll see over this shot. This is nice shot. So I will get this, download, and meanwhile, because I don't want to show the face, this is not the theme of my promo, I will extend it. Maybe we need a bigger shot. Just for this falcon shot, we'll type one more try, ultra, zoom in of falcon eye, and in the reflection of the falcon eye, get to see the Dubai skyline. Let's copy this. Let's copy this. Let's copy this and we'll tap it here and we'll get our image reference. Let's see. Otherwise, for this shot only, I need to do some typical prompting. I mean the keywords. Reflection of the falcon eye, it's very typical and difficult to get, so I used my old prompt which I have, and we'll go with this. Let's see what it will give the result. If I copy there, Let's see. I'll copy the same thing, image reference. Really amazing shot. We got this nice shot. I'll download this. Just ultra zoom in lens of the Falcon Eye. No need to show the way skyline in the background, only in the eye reflection. Let's see, image reference. Just look, after multiple tries, finally we got our ideal shot. I'll go for variation strong. Let's see what I'll get after getting this. These are the multiple shots. I'll try all of them. Let's see. Camera, pan, Falcon face, in slow motion and cinematic style. starting frame, this one. We'll use the same font, the same prompt. We change our starting frame. Now we'll go over next shot, this shot, the last beauty shot. The Emirati falcon on the rooftop and showing the Dubai skyline in the background. Top camera and falcon and Dubai skyline in the background. Copy this, paste this, our main keyword, the image reference, copy, paste, and we'll give our color theme frame. This is the main idea of creating the animation on the Midjourney, because you need to keep generating the image. It can't be done that you whatever you type and you'll get the first time the ideal result. So let's see. But yes, the fast generations really help. Use the same text, style reference. Again, we'll create the multiple shots. It's also giving us a white, so let's mention this brown falcon. The style frame, I don't want to give the falcon frame because otherwise it will stuck with the same falcon. That's why I'm going down. I really like this shot. Let's animate this shot. Frame, same. camera pan around falcon in cinematic style. Let's see, and slow motion style. So yes, after that we have this fast paced shots. Let's see. Now I'll go to our fast paced shot. Meanwhile creating the horse is running in front of Burj Khalifa. Let's go what we have created the very first shot as our style reference. Yes, this one. First we create I want to create this one, the strong variation. Meanwhile I'll animate this. Okay, for this one, because it's in the standing position, if I go for this one, maybe it will not give the ideal result. But let's see, horse running and camera follow the horse. Now we'll do one more thing, we'll get the new image for this. Horse is running in front of Burj Khalifa and Dubai skyline fat flow. Still creating this one. Type our keyword, the main keyword, the image reference, color theme only. Okay, give this one. Let's see, because if I start creating the horse is running from the standing position, maybe it will not be an ideal shot because according to our promo. But let's see, otherwise I'll start the very first frame I'll start creating as horses in the pose of running. That's the better shot for running animation shot. I like this, I really love this shot. Let me try one more options for this shot, otherwise I will simply animate this shot. Let's see, let's animate this shot. Now we'll go with this shot, the falcon flying. Falcon flying around Dubai skyline. Simple, no need to struggle for the prompting. Copy this prompt, the main typical line as I told you, image reference, color theme, and this. Scripting this, let's style reference, let's see. I like this frame and this frame because I don't want to focus on the face of the falcon in this shot. I'll ask create more option for this and more option for this shot as well. Meanwhile, it's creating the video as well for the horse. I'll save my video and re-record another because there's a time limitation on recording. Yes. I love this one. Let's go and animate this one. Falcon flying in cinematic style. Now we are not giving the slow motion style because now we are going for the fast paced shots. And camera follow the falcon. In fact, we'll go for the high motion, so I need more motion in this one. I'll pause the video here, meanwhile it's creating. Pause the video. Yes, so let's see what happened. So yes, let's see what result we have right now. Oh, that's really nice. And you know, then sometime the AI get mad and it's not give you the ideal result. Look at the leg of the horse. I really like this. I will extend this auto. As I told you, from the starting standing shot will be difficult to understand for the AI. After this shot is nice, I will extend this. Let's see. Just Still creating the falcon shots. Oh, this shot is already done. Nice. I prefer this simply. Look at the animation of the movement of the falcon in the end. It's about to fly. Let's extend this as well. We will get something better. We also got this shot. This is nice. This one is nice. I will download this one. And what else we have? We need to animate this falcon. It's already started. So let's wait. I'll pause the video here, and meanwhile it's creating the whole animation. Let's see what the next shot we have in the promo. I guess the camel are running in the desert. Yes, this one. This shot. Okay. Or we can type couple of camel are running in the desert and sand dust coming from their foot. Copy this, paste this. Now we need our keyword, the image reference and all this. Copy there. Style reference. Let's see. So we are getting closer to our reference. As I told you, it's impossible that 100% I could get the same result in Midjourney, but it's ideal. It's like whatever your thought process is, you can try to get closer to that one. With just couple, it understand only 2. So I'll add 5 camels. Or few camels, better. This image reference. I'll not give this image reference because otherwise it might stuck with the 2 camels. This also a nice shot because it's throughout is running in front of the Burj Khalifa. I guess this would be an ideal shot for us, or this one. Let's see. I'll simply animate. You can also simply animate without writing anything. It will. Let's see. This also a new thing. Let's see what it generate by itself without typing anything, or giving them a too many jobs. Let's wait and let it finish the other animation first. Look at that shot, it's really amazing. Let's extend this shot. We'll hold on the camel shot because there are too many tasks I already assigned to Midjourney. Let it finish the other task. I extended couple of videos. I'll pause the video here and let's see. Yes, so all our generations are complete. I mean the previous image generation, video generation. Look, it's really nice shot. We'll download this and to use all in our editing part. Now I'll ask to animate this by itself. Let's see. Meanwhile, I'll give this one camel running in speed towards camera. Let's see. Again, because let's pause the video here and let's wait because it's too many generation and I already asked too many generation. I have to wait or refresh my Google Chrome. Let's see. I'll pause the video here again. Yes, so our camel shot is also ready. We have this 4 option. I really like this option. I'll go with this. Download. Now we have basically 2 remaining shots are left. Let me open this and check. I believe the football one and the last shot. This is the soccer one and the last title shot. So let's go for this one. Is playing in stadium and cinematic style and in background showing the way skyline. We'll go for our image reference as we are doing in this every shot to be consistent color theme. Let's see. Because this one of the most typical shot is the falcon was and this shot. Showing the far. Let's camera. copy this line, image style reference. Let's see. I need to rewrite this from soccer players are playing in ground camera zoom in to the player and in the stadium, not in the ground. In the stadium, camera zoom into the player and in background showing Dubai skyline. More focus to the player. Oh, this is the extended video. I extended the camel video. Let's see, style frame. Download this video for our editing. So it's pretty decent shot. I'll go for variation strong so I can get more variations. Meanwhile, I'll just simply press the animate and let it animate by itself. Let's see. I'll pause the video here and we'll wait once the image generation is ready. Now on our end only the final shot is remaining left. The last shot. If I'll go in our reference video, this last grand shot. As you know, this in terms of creating this shot is the easiest shot. Is just for the Dubai landscape, and obviously this text we can't type it in the Midjourney. I created this in the After Effects. I'll teach you as well. Let me pause the video here. Yes, so meanwhile it's creating the animation. Let's create the last shot. Dubai skyline with Burj Khalifa and camera from top bird eye view. Let's see. In this one I'll go for our first shot because I prefer to be exactly the first and shot maximum closer to each other, so it will sync the promo in a really nice way. This one, my mistake, I drag and drop here. Style reference, let's see. It's auto animating, it's not working in the Midjourney right now, so I'll drag and drop, animate this layer as plane and camera pan around the layer. Let's see. I'll animate over this frame. Camera, zoom in towards Burj Khalifa in cinematic style.
तो वहां पे आप जाहिर बात है.
So yes, we have almost our all shots are ready. Let's see, I'll go with this one, the football one, soccer one I mean. Download this one, and only the last shot is remaining left, which already I queued for the animation. Any one of this, like zoom in a cinematic style. So all our shots are ready. Now I'll go for the editing. It's up to you. You can do it in the CapCut, you can do it in the Premiere, whatever edit application. I prefer, because I'm the motion graphic artist, so I don't know how to honestly work on the Premiere and the CapCut, so I'll go for the After Effects. And the end After Effects is easy for me to write the text over here, that the way text is in our reference I wrote it. So let's go in the editing part. Let me show you what text part I'm telling you. This part, the written text over there as a reference video. So yes, now let's start the editing part. I'll not teach the editing part because it's simply editing, and it's on the music theme. I downloaded the music from the YouTube. It depends on the what music you like. It's completely free, but make sure that music should be like starting the slow pace and then start with the fast pace, because it's the part of our project and the theme. But it's not mandatory, obviously it's a creative choice and whatever you want to do. So let's go, and I will edit all this fast pace, and in the end I will teach you how to add this text effect. By the way, there is text effect called Saber plugin it's a free plugin from Video Copilot. You can download it from here, and it's a free plugin. I'll teach you in the After Effects how can you add this effect. Let's start doing the editing of our all shots. Yes, before going to the editing side, our this video is also ready. Oh, that's really amazing shot. We'll extend it so we can have much space time for put our text. I'll go for extend manual because I want that Burj Khalifa to be on the little bit left side, so I have much space for the text. So now let's wait, and I will start doing the editing. Okay, let's see. Yes, so now our all shots are ready. What I will do, I will create the text animation, and let's see. So type Dubai, one of my favorite font. I'll add a new layer, regardless whatever the color is. I'll put the saber plugin. Then I'll go to the customize here, text layer. Here I'll select the Dubai one. Then I'll go there, 10. Then I hide this layer, and I pick the color from footage, and hide this. I'll hide this text layer, right click, blending mode, add. So I'll animate the text. Start offset 100. Press U, zoom in the timeline. Let's see the preview. Yes, little bit. Okay, now let's take a look at the complete preview of the promo, final promo. Let's save the scene. So our final video is ready. Just take a look. Project based promo is complete, and this is how you can create the cinematic promos with the help of ChatGPT and Midjourney shorts, and finally 100% depends on your editing skills. So this is how you can get the consistent shot, whatever the topic is. Like for example, if I go on my other promos, this one especially, in this technique, the bottom line is, in this technique you can create any promo, and the thing is that you're not dependent on the prompt base, and you are keep asking people, give me that prompt. So now from after this training you are free from the prompts. Let me play this promo so I can explain to you. For example, take So that's it. This is how you can create the multiple promo, whatever you want, the cinematic shots. You'll be not dependent on the prompts, and you'll not keep asking the people, give me the prompt. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you.